Good morning, guys. This is day 2 in Berlin. We will go to Brandenburger Tour Gates. So we will go there and I will show you around what it looks like. Okay. And this is my outfit for today. Yung asawa ko nandiyan sa likod, tayo niya mantik. Outfit for today, check. Ganyan to yung outfit natin. Ang malakasang outfit. Yan. Let's go, guys! Dito kami sa kalagitnaan ng daan. Traffic. Kailangan namin tumawid. Yan. Tawid na tayo. Maglakad tayo papuntang Borgen what? Borgen Tour Gate. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag nila ba. So, let's go! Ang dami nilang structural buildings na magaganda. Ayan. Meron pa dyan ginagawa. Ewan ko kung ano yan. And that one. That's their electric bikes that you can rent. Little scooters. May applications online. Mag-download ka lang, tapos pwede mo siyang gamitin. Tapos pag isa sa uli mo, i-stop mo lang siya sa kung saan mo pwedeng i-stop ata. Ganun ata, hindi ko sure. Dito sa Germany, mas marami ang bike kesa sa sakyan kasi this is their transportations.
It's one of the
main transportations nila, guys. Nahanap na namin yung Brandenburger Tour Gate. Ang hirap ang hirap sabihin yung pangalan, guys. Mas maganda na lang siguro sabihin ko na hamburger tour gate. Mas mabilis. Andito na siya. Memorial. Where's the memorial? The memorial, and that's the what's that? Borgen Tour Gate. I don't know. Hamburger Tour Gate. Hamburger. That's the one. Maybe. Oh my god, it's very nice. Pero I think mas maganda yung nasa Pilipinas. Ay, Pilipinas? I mean Paris, sorry. Sa Paris. Ganito dito. Ayan. Ayan siya. Ayan lang, ang daming tao. Ang daming tao, guys. Ayan. Ayan yung Paris Embassy. Honey, we'll stay here. Ayan, nahanap na kita. Welcome to Berlin. Honey? So dito naman yung memorial wall. Ito yung mga namatay ng digmaan sa memorial wall. Maraming tao dito, guys.
Wir waren damals mal hier als Anlass der Polizisten in der
Ito ibang ano. Papalayo. Malaki, maliit. This is memorial wall. Patay ka dito. Makahintay. Pag tumawid ka, patay ka. Lilibin ka dito. Dito na, mga maliliit na. Ayan, may mga restaurant sa taas. I don't know, it's apartment over there.
I think there might be something written over there.
Ah, yeah. I think there is more like stories about the
There's a lot of stories about this place. Why this place.
Ayan. Ayan pa dyan. Nakalabas na kami guys sa memorial. Dito na kami sa labas. It's very sad story, nakakaiyak guys. It's very very sad, right?
Yeah.
One of the most story that I read is a baby they just shoot while he's crying.
Mother was feeding him on the breast and he died in the breast.
Yeah. It's very sad. Nakakaiyak guys. Parang gusto kong maiyak kanina. Bawal mag-video sa labas. Sa loob. Kaya hindi kami nakapag-film sa loob kasi nga bawal. Ayan. Yung tsura dito. Saka may tourist bus dyan. May kahit tourist bus. So, pupuntahan naman natin ngayon yung what we will gonna go for the next one.
Try and get something to eat.
Yeah, and then
We'll go to one of the others.
the rice tag something. Rice, everything rice. Only rice. Rice is life. So let's go. So yun na nga guys. Palabas na kami kasi palabas.
What happened.
kami kasi nagugutom na kami. Gusto na namin kumain. So, let's go. Yeah. It's very, very hard. We are here now in Mall of Berlin. So, dito tayo maghanap ng pagkain. Maluwang-luwang naman dito. Dito na yung bilihan ng chocolate. That's the chocolate factory. Chocolate factory. Mall of Berlin. May nakaabang na truck. Tara na kumain. May mga ano dito. Look. The Lindor chocolate. Hindi ko alam kung anong yan. Bundesrat. Bundesrat building. Masyadong mahangin sa Berlin, pero malamig. Dito na kami sa loob ng mall.
Das ist vorne am Bahnhof. Also wollen wir gerne hin. Wir müssen eigentlich ziehen.
Let's go one day in this place. Oh, diba? Canada. One day.